Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and this video part is very special, okay? In this video part, I'm about to tell you my hedging expert advisor and I will show you how exactly you set it up, with what settings you need to use it, and then I will tell you each and everything about its inputs, okay, that you can set, and then I will test it with my strategy tester in here, and I will test it between these two dates, okay? So 1st of January until 12th of September, okay? So this year, okay? So as you can see, today is 12th of September, so I am testing it in this year, okay, with this year time, okay? So before I actually test it, let me go ahead and drag it onto my chart and let me show you what are its inputs and how do you use them, okay? So the first input, as you can see here, it's the lot size of the very first trade, okay? And if you are watching this video and you have not watched my hedging strategy, okay, the video I posted about my hedging strategy, and this expert advisor is using that strategy, okay? So you need to watch that video first, then come back here, okay? And you will see lots of improvements in here, okay? In this EA there are lots of improvements. That video, that is just to get an idea of how that strategy works, okay? So improvements are done in this expert advisor. So let's go ahead and talk about the inputs. So the first input is the lot size of the very first trade, okay? So as you know, when the strategy is this expert advisor places first trade buy or sell, and it places buy stop or sell stop at the same time based on what it placed, buy or a sell, okay? So anyways, the first trade will have this much lots, the second trade will have this much lots, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th and 11th, okay? I have tested this expert advisor with this year time frame, okay, and I have seen that it never goes more than 6 trades, okay? So it won't be going to this trade or this trade or this trade or this trade, so don't worry about these numbers, okay? And now this variable which you can see here, lot multiplier, it is actually a new improvement made to the expert advisor, okay? So this lot multiplier is now 1. That means these lots will be the same as they appear in front of you if this lot multiplier is 1. But if you make it 2, then all the lots will be multiplied by the number 2. So this will become 0.1, this will become 0.3, this will become 0.7 and so on, okay? And if you will set it to 0.5, then this will be 0.025, that will be 0.02 or 3, I don't know, okay? I think it will be 0.02, okay? Anyways, so if you will decrease it, the lots will decrease, okay? Basically this number will be multiplied to all of these lots, okay? So you need to take care. This is actually the new variable, okay? This was not there in the previous versions of this expert advisor, okay? This and these numbers are start R and end R, okay? And as you can see here, this line and this line is separating one, is representing one complete day in between it, okay? And you are on H1 time frame, so each candle is representing 1 hour, okay? So there are actually 24 candles in between it, okay? I have written 9 and 12, so this expert advisor will look for opening buy or sell trade between these between these hours. Okay, it will start looking when the clock turns to 9. Okay, let me remove all this, let me close it, and let me go to object list, and let me delete it, and let me go ahead and draw another 2 lines in here. So let's draw this line. So as you can see, it's 9. Okay, so and 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is the 12th candle. Okay, so this is the 9th candle and this is the 12th candle. So this expert advisor will look for an opportunity to enter a buy or sell trade, the very first trade, during these times only. Okay, 9 and 12. Why I have chosen these times? Because the market is about to change lots of pips after these times. Okay, as you can see here, it changes lots of pips, and each day after these times the market changes a lot. Okay, so that's why I have chosen this time for me. Okay, so let's go back and drop it, and let's talk about more. So stop loss and take profit values, you can set these numbers with 1:2 ratio. Okay, so if your take profit is 30, your stop loss must be 60. If it's 40, then stop loss must be 80, and so on. Okay, the magic number is not important. type must be 0. Well, when I was making this expert advisor, I actually tested some formulas which you can use for your lots, but then I thought, let's give the user ability to put his lot size by as much as the user wants. Okay, so if you have some other formula for these lots, you can use that. You can do experiments with it, and you can back test it. Okay, but I suggest using these lots. Why? I'm going to tell you in just a moment. Okay, so if you will choose type to 1 or 2 or something, then it will not choose these lots, but it will be calculating lots based on some formula that I have embedded it, and that does not work. Okay, so don't put 1 or 2 in here, just put 0 in here. Total orders allowed, I have set this value to 10, but trust me, it never goes more than 6 or 8 trades, 6 or 7 trades. Okay, at maximum it placed 7 trades. Okay, so it will not go up to 10 trades. So anyways, you can write this number, and these 2 variables are for parabolic SAR indicator, and this input is for moving average. Okay, and this moving average is actually exponential moving average. Okay, and its period, this period you can set, but you cannot change whether you are using simple moving average or exponential moving average or some other. So this was pretty much all about the inputs. So now let's go ahead and test it between these 2 dates, and I'm using it with your US dollar pair, and the time frame is H1. Okay, you always use this time frame, because I think that on H1 time frame, moving average and parabolic SAR are giving good signals. Okay, because our expert advisor is going to place buy or sell based on moving average and parabolic SAR indicator, and between these hours. Okay, so I think H1 time frame is the best. So now let's go ahead and start it, and let's see. Well, by the way, I'm also giving you this cool template with it, nice red and black colors, and also moving average and parabolic SAR indicators are added to it. So I am saving it as a template, I'm giving you this template with the expert advisor's trial version. Okay, so, and also I'm going to upload this template and this expert advisor's trial version on my website that you can find in the description of this video. Okay, so you can get it, and that trial version will work only on demo accounts, so you can test it, and if you're satisfied, then you can contact me and then you can purchase it from me. Okay, so now let's go ahead and skip it to this date so we can make it quick to see the results. Okay, so I'm giving you this this expert advisor to be used on demo account, so you can test it with your own data, with your own broker, and then if you're satisfied, then you can contact me and you can purchase it. Okay, so let's see how it works, and I will tell you the results just now. Okay, let's let it to be complete. Okay, now it's completed, and let's see results. Okay, let's see the graph first. Okay, here you can see the graph is pretty much always in profit, and this balance dropped here, and here. Why this balance dropped? Because this is hedging. Okay, so if one trade is in profit, so there must be another trade that is in loss, but overall the equity never drops. This green line you can see here, it never drops. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, well, I'm posting the trial version for it so you can see how it works. Okay, so basically it's always in profit. Okay, whether it places 2 trades in total, it's in profit. If it places 3 trades in total in one cycle, it's in profit, and if it places 4 trades in one cycle, even then it's in profit. Okay, so your balance is 29 and then 34, so it always grows. Okay, even if it places 6 trades in one cycle, even then you are in profit. Okay, as you can see here, 63 and 89, so you are in profit. So basically you're always in profit. I will also upload these results on my website, so you can also see these results. Along with that, I will post trial version of my expert advisor. Okay, so this was pretty much all about this video part. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I will get lots of people contacting me and you will have lots of interest in my expert advisor. Okay, so see you then. Take care.